a square sheet of paper, fold it along the middle horizontally. Take a square sheet of paper, fold it along for the middle horizontally. Okay? Now ready? Then fold it again vertically and shown. And fold it again vertically and shown. You get a folded square. You get a folded square. Now fold one of the flap backward. Now one of the flap backward. Now one of the flap backward. Only one, not all. Only one flap in backward. Okay, only one flap in backward. Fold the remaining three flaps. 1, 2, 3. 3 flaps and sew. 3 flaps and sew. Now you get a triangle. Now you get a triangle. Okay? Now you get a triangle. Put your finger inside the triangle to make a cap. Put your finger inside the triangle to make a cap. Okay? Now ready?
Ready.
Now ready?
Ready.
Now make the two end of the cap meet. Two end of the cap meet. Carefully pull the base. Carefully pull the base. Carefully pull the base. Pull the flap outward. Press them sideways. Press them sideways. Your body ready. Your body ready. Okay? Which student boat is ready? Or hands are up. Which student boat is ready? Your boat is up. Now all student. All student. All student boat is ready?
Ready.
Okay. Okay.